Here's the table of our reporting. Nigel will report that.
Table 3, no? Monthly expenses of Malunggay Pansay. This is the fixed cost that we observe. Rental is 1,000, quantity 1 month, and the total price is 1,000. You can see in the TV
Sir,
what we just did.
sir, can you please repeat it because I cannot understand it? And can you please move because I can see it?
You see this?
Yes.
Table 3, monthly expenses of Malunggay Pansay. As you can see, you can see the fixed cost that we monitor in this Malunggay Pansay. Like the rental, the unit price is 1,000, quantity is 1 month, and the total is 1,000. You can look if you want. The ingredients that we use to make the Malunggay Pansay.
Nigel, legal trading sign. You might stop there. Okay, go. Okay.
Will you please raise your voice because I can't quite understand?
Yes,
Can you please explain?
Maybe you don't need to explain the materials or the some devices used in Pandesal. You need to explain what is table number 3. Ganun lang. You don't need to explain one by one. Those materials used in preparing Pandesal. All you need to explain is what is the use of a table number 3. Ganun lang kasimple. Kasi kung babasahin mo yan, nakaabot tayo ng isang oras, isa-isa kung babasahin yan, hindi naman sila yung given kasi. So sasabihin mo rin dyan, ano ba ang importance ng table number 3, which is the monthly expense. You can just state, table number 3 is used is to record or list down the monthly expenses used in Malunggay Pansay. That's it.
So do you have an idea what is table 3?